Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to talk about an open tomb, some scary art, and of course, poodles. As always, if you need more information, in the description link below, there are links to various websites, including Amazon if you're interested in books in the best-selling San Miguel de Allende Secrets series. Today, the Order of San Miguel de Allende's cloister community in Centro, called the Immaculate Conception, celebrated the 250th anniversary of the death of their founder. That heir is Paris Hilton, a teenager that inherited the biggest fortune in town. Josefa Lina de la Canal y Herves was born in 1736, the first child in the Canal family, one of the wealthiest families in San Miguel de Allende during the Inquisition. Both parents died when Josefa was 15, and she used her inheritance to construct a convent and church. Her actions at that time weren't all that unusual. If you were a wealthy Spanish woman that didn't like men, nor wanted to be a wife and mother, or simply wanted to be well educated, the cloister route was the way to go. In what is now Belo Artes, you could buy an apartment, join the order, bring along your servants, and spend the rest of your life immersed in what you enjoyed studying. The women were safe from the outside world, yet an honorary part of it. Josefa formed an order dedicated to the Immaculate Conception, a concept that Mary's mother, Anna, conceived Mary without sin. That's why she could later become Jesus' mom. The Order of the Immaculate Conception was created by St. Beatrice. Beatrice was a Portuguese lady-in-waiting to the Queen in the 1400s, shown to your left. Having good looks that raised the jealousy of the Queen, Beatrice left the courtly life to start her own cloistered religious order. Normally, an order of clergy, whether it's priests or nuns or monks, focuses on a task like education, healthcare, or missionary work. St. Beatrice's cloistered order is not as focused on prayer as the others are. It simply was cloistered. Today, the Immaculate Conception nuns of San Miguel de Allende make their money. Every order, cloistered or not, has to support itself, as money doesn't come from the church. Selling eggnog, moist, yummy tamales, and wickedly dry cookies. At one point, the order raised white, purebred poodles to make money. There is an order of friars in New England well known for raising German shepherds. One day, a new bishop came to town and demanded the nuns stop raising poodles, so they opened the doors and let the poodles free. That's why San Miguel de Allende's street dog population has that unique white poodle mix running through them. One day I went to the order's office to order tamales for a festival, entering a room filled with ancient religious paintings. Confused at how to place a tamale order, I was scared senseless when a painting of a nun coughed. She immediately chuckled, letting me know that she's done this before, since the layers of screen over her face provide a sheen normally only century-old paintings do. Josefa left the order, dying at age 33, the same as Jesus, leaving behind a convent home for just over 70 nuns. Her remains lie under the choir loft in the space only open for public viewing on the anniversary of her death, August 9th. Later, on August 17th, is the festival for St. Beatrice, one of the 2 days the nuns are released from their cloistered vows and are visited by family and friends. The other day is December 8th, celebrating the Immaculate Conception, again when Anna, Mary's mom, got pregnant with Mary, and that's why Mary's birthday is celebrated 9 months later on September 8th. As always, feel free to like and subscribe, and you'll get notification when new videos on San Miguel de Allende's secrets get released.